In this section, we'll be discussing troubleshooting. What is troubleshooting? What are the 3 P's of troubleshooting? And how can we implement the 3 P's of troubleshooting into our everyday life? Let's go ahead and start off with a look at our dryboard. So question 1, what is troubleshooting? Troubleshooting is the tracing and collecting of faults in a mechanical or electrical system. Troubleshooting to someone in IT can be the logical thought process of eliminating potential problems in any given system. Now, past that, let's move on to a system that we can implement in our everyday life to help assist with troubleshooting. The 3 P's. These are the 3 P's of troubleshooting. We have a product, a picture, and the possibilities. The very first part of troubleshooting is the product. You have to know the product. You have to be familiarized enough with the product to know what are the functions and the faults of that product. 2, the picture that's being painted for you, the situation. Let's just say you have a situation and when someone says, my PC, every time I turn it on, it boots slow. Well, 1, we know the product. It's a PC. And 2, the picture that's being painted is that it boots up slowly. It's very important to keep in mind the picture that's being painted, so it can help you to visualize what the solution may be. And naturally, that will take you down a path of possibilities. Let's see an example of the 3 P's in a situation. This statement, user is having an issue with the wireless mouse that randomly stops working. So step 1, what's our product? Obviously, it's the wireless mouse. Now that that's identified, what's our picture? What's being painted for us? Well, we know that the mouse randomly stops working. And at this point, you can almost feel your body naturally starting to conclude different situations. We know that we have a wireless mouse, and we know that the wireless mouse stops working. Naturally, you feel your body bringing you down what I call the path of possibilities. What are the features of this mouse? Well, since it's wireless, we know that it runs on batteries. And what's meant by it randomly stops working? Maybe it's freezing on the screen. So is it a PC problem, or is it indeed a wireless problem? Or the batteries themselves? So as you can see, good troubleshooting will allow you to implement sort of a process of elimination. But always keep in mind the 3 P's: the product, the picture, and the possibilities. I hope you guys enjoyed this course. I will see you again in the next one.